Welcome to your Activ8 system. Here's how to wear the OrthoCor Activ8 back system for therapy. Let's get started with setup. First, locate the battery and charging cable included with your system. Remove the battery from the garment pocket, ensuring it is unplugged from the garment. Then, plug it into the charger. Charging can take up to 8 hours. 4 illuminated lights indicate a full charge. Once fully charged, unplug the battery from the charger and insert it into the Activ8 system pocket with the logo facing out. Connect the battery to the system using the built-in USB cable inside the garment. The USB cable can be plugged into either port on the battery. Both work the same. Here's how to wear the OrthoCor Activ8 back system for therapy. Start by positioning the device on your low back. Center the two therapy logos on the inside so they rest evenly on either side of your spine, directly over the area you're treating. Once everything is in place, bring the ends around and fasten the device securely in front using the hook and loop closure. Make sure the fit feels secure, but not too tight. You want it to stay in place without limiting your movement or breathing. When your therapy session is complete, gently remove the device from your body and disconnect the Activ8 battery from the system. If needed, charge the battery. A fully charged battery can last approximately 2 sessions before needing to be recharged.